Learn English with Sun English Center.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to our fun learning video. Today, we'll learn some exciting action words like swimming, running, and climbing. Are you ready? Let's get started!
Sun. 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 Sing. 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 Singing. 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 Climb. 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 Climbing. 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 Jump. 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 Jumping. 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 Skip. 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 Skipping. 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 Run. 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 Running. 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 Swim. 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 Swimming. Swimming. Swimming.
Great job, everyone! Now you know so many fun activity words. Keep practicing and moving. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you soon. Bye-bye.